morning, students. Our today's topic is determiners. Let us see what is a determiner. A determiner is a word used to modify a noun. It indicates reference to something specific or a particular type. It is used before a noun, that is to clarify a noun. Examples: my scale. See, I am telling that this scale is mine. So, my scale. Here the determiner is my. Now, a chair. So, chair is a noun. So, this is a general determiner, a chair. Then the necklace, again, general determiner. Her husband, specific determiner. Whose husband is that? Her husband. So, here the her is a determiner. An error. Okay, clear children? Some people, one evening. All these are the examples of determiner. Okay. Now, the word used before the noun. See, that means determiners are used before a noun or noun phrase. You should always remember that determiners are used before a noun. Okay? See, should I repeat the examples? Let us see. My scale. Scale is, what is scale? That is noun. Okay? Whose scale? My scale. So, this is specific determiner. Her husband. That is again specific determiner. See, a table. This is termed a table. That is general determiner. Okay, children? Now, let us see the classification of determiners. Okay. One more thing I wanted to tell you that my sister is a teacher. So, here, my sister. So, my is a, what is possessive determiner, my sister. So, this is also known as specific determiner. Is a teacher. Teacher, again teacher is a noun and a. So, that is general determiner. Okay, clear children? Okay, let us move on to the next slide. Types of determiners. First one, articles, then demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, numerals. Numerals are again divided into two, cardinals and ordinals. Okay, so articles, you know that articles A and B, that is articles are two, definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay, so demonstrative, only four are there. This, that, though, these, those, only four. That is a demonstrative. This, that. This means near, that, far. These, those, these and those are a plural, and this and that are singular. Now possessive. You know that possessive pronoun, no? So here the possessive determiners are just like possessive pronouns. My, our, your, her, their, its. Okay? Now quantifiers. That means it shows quantity. Okay? Much, more, many, few, little. These shows a quantity. That is why quantifiers. Okay? Now, the last determiner is numerals. So, numerals are again divided into two, cardinals and ordinals. Okay, cardinals means 1. You have to say the spelling O-N-E, 1, T-W, 2, 100, 150. All these are cardinals. And ordinals are 1st, 2nd, 10, 18, 19. Okay, clear children? Okay, let's move on to the next slide. First, we will see articles. Two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Okay? Example, close the door. Pick out the determiner. Then what is the answer, children? The is the determiner. Close the door. Door is a noun. So always you should think that determiner comes before a noun. Okay? Give me an apple from the basket. Here, an apple. So what are the determiners? An is also determiner and the basket. So that is also, basket is a noun, no, common noun. Okay children, clear? Next, I have got a friend in Canada. A. I bought a new car. Here, a new car. New is adjective. So sometimes determiner will come before adjective. For example, a is article plus adjective plus noun. Children, clear? Understood? Okay. Now let's see demonstrative determiners. A determiner which is used to demonstrate or point out a noun. Here we are demonstrating something. Okay? Let's see. This pen is special. I already told you that there are only 4 demonstrative determiners. This, that and these and those. Okay. This pen is special. Here this is the demonstrative determiner. Next, those oranges are sour. So those are a demonstrative determiner. I bought this book yesterday. Again this. Those boys are making trouble. So you got it children? Okay. Now let us see possessive determiners. See, possessive pronouns you know, you should remember always. Okay? My, your, his, her, our, your, etc. All these are possessive determiners. Example, this is my house. See, whose house is this? This is my house. So, possessive determiner. This is your pen. Okay, your is possessive. Our parents were very proud of us. Okay, our is the possessive determiner. Even possessive pronouns. Now I am talking about pronouns. Possessive pronouns can also stand alone and are not followed by noun. Example, is that car yours? So yours is possessive pronoun, not determiner. Say determiner, this is my scale. So this is possessive determiner. My is the determiner. Okay children, clear? Okay, let's see next. Quantitative determiners. This shows quantities. So for example, every, many, some, few, little, etc. Okay. This is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. First one, I have to pay the rent every month. Now we are talking about quantitative determiner. So that is why every is the quantitative determiner. But if the question is like this, pick out the determiners. You have to write the and every, because rent is a noun. So that is why the rent and every month. But if the question is like this, pick out the quantitative determiner. You have to write only one, every. Okay, clear? Let's see next example. Many people. Okay, this is uncountable. Died in the accident. So many is the quantitative determiner. Next, they saw some shallow pits. Okay, here shallow. Some. Both children are taught. Both. Okay, clear? Let's move on to the next slide. Now the last one, that is numerals. You know that numerals are again divided into two, cardinals and cardinals. Okay, first one cardinal. That is example ONE1, TWO2, not single 1, 2, 3. This is ONE1. Example, only 2 schools. See, TWO2. So this is the cardinal determiner. Are participating in the competition. Here The is also a determiner. This is articles. Okay. So our question is pick out the numerals. Determiner numerals. Okay. Then you have to write 2. Otherwise, pick out the determiners means 2 plus the. Okay. Clear? Next. Each team consists of 11 players. So 11 is the numerals or a cardinal determiner. Here each team, each means what? Last case we have already learned, no? Quantitative. Okay? Okay? So each is quantitative determiner and here cardinal is 11. Okay, clear? Now let's see ordinals. Example, first, second, third. She got third rank in the exam. THIRD, third is the ordinal. Example of ordinal determiner. That is third. And the exam, this is also a determiner, that is article. Now, she only knew the first line. Here, numerals means only, that is ordinal is only first. Okay, children. Clear? Okay, finish. Thank you.